My dear students, in today's class, we will learn the statement sums of money, addition and subtraction. Look at sum number 19. Subtract rupees 826.34 from rupees 1715.55 and add your answer to rupees 724.33. So at first the question is subtract rupees 826.34 from rupees 1715.55. So you will write at first 1715.55 then minus 826.34 and the answer we got, that is 889.21. With this answer, we have to add 724.33. Then we will get the answer rupees 1613.54. Or partly also you can do, after getting this answer, you can add, at first you can write here 724.33 plus 800. Like this way you can write that 724.33 plus 889.21 because the answer we got this one. Then add your answer to rupees 723.24.33. So 3 plus 1 4, 3 plus 2 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 3, 1 you carry, 8, 9, 10, plus 1, 11, 1 you carry, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. Look at the same answer we got. Next sum number 20. How much must be added to rupees 667.85 in order to have a total of rupees 767.42. If I ask you with a smaller number that how much must be added to 6 to get 7, what we will do? We will subtract this 6 from 7 to get the answer. 7 minus 6 is 1. So this one I have written here, that 6 plus 1 is 7. So in this sum also we will subtract 667.85 from rupees 767.42. Then we got the answer rupees 99.57. That must be added with this one. Now sum number 21. Jane had rupees 750.30. Her mother gave her rupees 570.50 and her father gave her rupees 179.20 for the excursion. How much money does he have in all? The question is she have in all after getting from her mother and father the money. So what we will do? We will add amount Jane had rupees 750.30. Amount her mother gave. Mother gave how much? Rupees 570.50. Amount her father gave. Father gave how much? Rupees 179.20. And after adding them, we got the answer. The total amount rupees 1500. And the question is how much money does she have in all? She is Jane. So Jane has rupees 1500 in all. Next sum number 22. A fruit seller had rupees 750.80. He bought mangoes for rupees 695.90. How much money was left with the fruit seller? So fruit seller had rupees 750.80, and for buying mangoes he spent rupees 695.90. So 695.90 is the cost of the mangoes the fruit seller bought. So how we will write the statement? Amount a fruit seller had rupees 750.80 and the cost of mangoes 695.90, and amount left, you will subtract them and then you will get the answer rupees 54.90, that is left with the fruit seller after buying the mangoes. The question is, how much money was left with the fruit seller? So you will write the answer, rupees 54.90 was left with the fruit seller. Now look at Psalm number 23. Mr. Peter had rupees 2500.80. He gave James rupees 1275.50 and Joseph rupees 1028.75. How much money was left with Peter? Mr. Peter had rupees 2500.80. From these rupees, he gave James and Joseph. So how much he spent to give James and Joseph? That amount at first we have to calculate. So these two amount we will add. At first we will write amount Mr. Peter gave James. Gave James 1275.50 and Joseph rupees 1028.75. After adding them, you will get the answer, total amount Mr. Peter spent to give James and Joseph 2304.25. Now after giving the money to James and Joseph, how much money is left with Mr. Peter? That we have to find out. So Mr. Peter had rupees 2500.80. So you will write amount Mr. Peter had rupees 2500.80. Then you will subtract this amount what Mr. Peter spent to give James and Joseph. That you will subtract. After subtracting, you will get the answer rupees 196.55. This amount is left with Mr. Peter. The question is, how much money was left with Peter? So we will write the answer, rupees 196.55 was left with Peter. Thank you children, today up to this.